You want to know the secret on how to make money on YouTube, but you are not confident in your speaking skills and showing your face? Today I'm going to show you my favorite ways that will help you make money on YouTube without standing in front of the camera. Welcome to eMaster YouTube channel. If you're like us and want to earn an extra income but don't have any time or energy left at the end of the day, this video is for you. We will talk about best ways to make money on YouTube from scratch. Have you ever thought about the fact that more than half of the YouTube videos you've watched in the past do not have a person speaking in front of a camera? Isn't it strange? However, those videos or channels are still making bank. AdSense, affiliates, sponsors, you name it. If you want us to show you these type of creators on YouTube and analyze how they are making money, subscribe to our channel and click that like button. YouTube's algorithm will bless us and we will bless you with even more YouTube cash cow methods. For those who do not know the term, the YouTube cash cow channel is a type of channel that creates content in a specific niche. However, they are not showing their faces on camera. Before we dive into the details of these channels, please let us know by commenting cash cow if you've ever wanted a YouTube channel without showing your face. Here are two methods that you should try. Number 1. Make a whiteboard animation. That's exactly what we're doing right now. We are not the best narrators. However, we still manage to create average quality content. Think about videos that you've seen in the past. Were they only studio quality and above? No. YouTube is all about content. If you can manage to make at least average quality videos with great content, people will definitely watch it. I want to show you a channel I found recently and liked so much for the whiteboard animation niche. Not for the content, for the views they are getting. It's called Far From Average, and because of this channel, we decided to create this YouTube channel about making money on YouTube without showing your face. Here's a channel that I found recently. I'm not saying that the content in this channel is exceptional, however, the statistics definitely are. So basically, this channel is that they write a professional script about dating, men and women's lifestyles, talking about how to be an alpha male, and all of those things. Even if it seems not interesting for us, there is a vast audience for that niche. This channel creates content about lifestyles, every man's greatest weakness, what it's like to be a man. These are the topics that this channel uses very frequently. When going through Social Blade statistics, we can see that they have over 200 uploads. All videos have been made using whiteboard animation. The views are surprising too, over 200,000 every single day. That means around 6 million views per month. Social Blade shows that channel should be making around $16,000 per month. However, Social Blade statistics are inaccurate. They can only estimate earnings, and most of the time, the channels earn 4 to 8 times the amount shown. YouTube pays different amounts depending on video topic, length, retention, and some other factors. Based on our experience, this channel should be making around $50,000 and up per month. Certain topics on YouTube pay a lot. For example, when a video is about makeup, money making, real estate, or other expensive assets, YouTube sometimes pays $40 to $80 per 1,000 views. You can just imagine the money that some YouTube channels are making. The great thing is that you can do it too. Pick a niche. We recommend one that you like or have experience in. The main thing about YouTube is content, so make sure watchers or viewers have something to take home. We will provide links to tools that will help you make these YouTube videos. Number 2. The second method for creating faceless videos is to use royalty-free footage and voiceover. This method is a lot more popular because it's simple and safe. However, it takes time to create great content. Here is a channel that is creating this kind of content. Alux.com. This YouTube channel is using stock footage from Storyblocks, Pexels, and Pixabay. The niche is luxury lifestyles. From our experience, it's a very well-paying niche. However, they are using content from other YouTube channels occasionally, but it falls under the fair use guidelines. That is because there is sufficient commentary over the content that they are using, so YouTube has no problem with it. Another great takeaway is that their YouTube channel name is their website URL. Great marketing. Social Blade shows that they have more than 1.8 thousand videos uploaded, and the channel is getting around 200 to 300,000 views every single day. Knowing that the uploaded videos are more than 8 minutes long and the content niche is luxury lifestyle, we can estimate the potential earnings of this channel is about $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. When we are talking about 7 million views per month, the money adds up. We would recommend to watch a few videos on the alux.com YouTube channel as we found it really inspiring. We hope this video has inspired you to finally start your YouTube journey. If you found this video informative, we would appreciate it if you would destroy that like button for YouTube's algorithm blessing. If you would like more content about faceless YouTube channels, leave us a comment with your question. We may answer it in the next video.